Hey everybody, just gonna make a real quick video today. I don't have a lot to talk about, so that's why there's not gonna be much of a video. As you see, I actually started on the WASBomb Blastajet, got the airbrush part of it done, and it's just gonna be sitting there for 2 days. I've been just doing other stuff around the house, cleaning, chores, working on computers. Had a fun adventure. I picked up a free TV off Craigslist, tried to fix that to no luck, so I gotta save up and buy a new motherboard for that TV, but you know, 49-inch 4K Sony for free, plus whatever the cost of the motherboard is, about $100. Still going to be quite a bit of savings once I can afford that motherboard. So, but again, so I had a little adventure running up to another part of town and picking up a free TV. Yeah. So, and I still haven't worked on Samuel. I really need to get that done. It's on the line highlighting stage. That's all I have left to do is just finish the line highlighting. And I just can't find the motivation to do that. I can't find the motivation to work on this because I don't know how long it's been since I've had this and just finally got around to doing the airbrush work. It's just a matter of, you know, I've just been working so hard on getting all the other Evil Sun stuff done. I mean, I got the truck built and painted, all those infantry guys built and painted, all the custom tank busters, the Ludas, and I'm just kind of running out of steam on the hobby side of it. So I'm just kind of scaling it back a bit, relaxing, trying to find my mojo again. I do have to finish up Samuel. I do have a tournament coming up on the 24th of August. Not really a tournament, but an event coming up on the 24th of August where I need to have him done by. So it gives me, what, not quite 3 weeks. So I gotta get that done. I don't want to be line highlighting and spraying dull coat on Friday night before it starts, which I'm probably will inevitably end up doing. So yeah, so we're on here with this guy. I mean, this was 90% of the, I mean, this was about 10% of the work, 90% of the work left to do. Mainly it's just going to be going over it with lots of lead belcher and whatever that gold color is. Darn it, I keep forgetting what it's called. I'll find it in here. There it is. Balthasar gold, yeah. Balthasar gold. This actually looks more brass than gold, so it gets used for, I use it for brass and stuff all the time. So just going over lots of that and lots of yellow, doing the flames and other Evil Sun stuff, and then of course painting the details on the guy and the control panel, and gotta paint the gun. Yeah, so it's now all the detail work left to do. I mean, the exhaust pipes are going to be done in lead belcher. You got the grill here to paint, this grill to paint, these exhaust pipes, KFF, the worky parts of the guns here. Wire bundle, the guns, the super shooters in front. I have to figure out what to do for the nose. I mean, on the nose, on the one they have in the picture, they have a black and white spiral. I'm probably not going to do that. I'll probably do some, I have no idea what I'm going to do with that. But yeah, and then I'll do the same streaky wash that I do on all the other planes. Just take Newell oil and just brush it straight from front to back, like it's been flying through the air. But yeah, lots of work and not much motivation. It's just one of those things. I do have this I want to repair. This is a very old objective I made a long time ago. It's kind of been broken and not very well used. Basically, it's got this one little LED on here that's wired directly to a double AAA, so a 3-volt battery box. And so the idea is just put the batteries in there, it turns on and slides in there. This part's broken off. The light doesn't always light up, so there's a wire loose somewhere, but the wires are super glued into the tube now. So this is something I kind of want to refurbish and figure out how to make work better. I have not done that, but I've not figured out if I'm just going to try and keep the AAA battery box or do something else. But yeah, so this is another refurb project I want to do. I just want to get it working basically because I like the lit up objective markers. I like that little orc face there. yeah, so that's it. Real quick video this week. Again, I'm just trying to do some other stuff besides the hobby, some real life commitments and other stuff. I'm sure after a short break, I will ramp back up again to my previous level. It always comes in waves, right? Gotta do Samuel. So hopefully next week we'll have a Samuel showcase. I'll get some details done on this, but I just, I'm just having a hard time with motivation, and I'm sure it happens to everybody. But I will keep going up with the talking about orcs. See you on Wednesday.